They're arresting Dolly.
Really? Really?
Hey, can I have your keys? I need your keys.
Dolly, where's your keys so we can move your car?
Wow. 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 Forget the baby killer. Oh, I'm out of here. I am out of here. I'm out of here. I'll go back to her. She fucked this. I'm sorry to let this baby down, but I can't. Oh, I'm nope. I'm done. Oh, I am done here. I am done here. Look at this.
Yeah, she can try to run him over with the fucking car.
She assaulted County.
That's okay. You can get away with it.
We got the keys right here.
Really?
This is unbelievable.
This is unbelievable.
She just tries to run. She tries to run somebody over.
She tries to run and kill a person.
Then
a baby that's dead.
He did not touch her.
He was protecting her. Wow. He didn't kill a baby. I know that. Don't worry, Dolly. We know you didn't kill a baby. We know you try to help real victims. We know you're one of the good guys, Dolly.
Dolly.
Wow, Dolly. Say nothing.
Say nothing.
Don't say nothing. You're one of the good guys. They don't like good people around here. They protect the junkies.
Got your bail.
Thank you for protecting me, Dolly.
It's just gonna feel
They protect junkies.
Yeah,
What's really going on? Yeah. Oh, I'm done. I'll never come back to Savannah. Hell no. Don't go to Savannah. Hell no. I'm sorry, Justin. I'm done.
I am too.
Finito. Finished. I am done. Finito.
Dolly. Wait till one of us get killed. They can use it against you. Don't say nothing, Dolly. Put them zipper on that lip.
Don't say nothing, Dolly. Can you guys please call me? You got your right.
Don't worry, we're filming a documentary.
You got your right, Dolly. Don't say nothing. You got
That's fucked up.
I went out.
Where's the key?
I went out. I'm going Uber. Fine. I just need my phone.
Just wait a minute. We'll go.
I don't even feel comfortable in this town. I feel comfortable. This is a dangerous place. This is dangerous. This is scary. This is the end. I can't believe this. Oh my God.
He never.
Oh my God. You've got to be.
Wow.
You know what? Take that smirk off your face. Yeah, keep going, junkie. Yeah, you got your own way, but you're a junkie. They love you, junkies. Yeah, they love you. They love junkies around here. Yeah, you're freaking low life. You're a low life. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
They are
Disgusting.
I did.
Yeah, you're definitely on crack. You look like you're 97 years old. And that means that you're a secondhand tragedy.
They were sent here to cause trouble.
Dolly!
Yeah, really.
Dolly! Don't argue!
Dolly, don't say a word.
This is so wrong.
Guys, he did not touch her. He did not touch her. He didn't touch her at all. Well, I mean, the other day she got knocked out in the fucking nose. Betty got knocked out in the nose the other day by this tragedy whore.
Yeah, she can hit her.
Why is there no arrest when she hit her the other day?
That's okay. You know what? Leave it in God's hands. No justice for this baby. Don't count on it. I give up. I'll go back to Hershey, Pennsylvania. Sorry, people. I tried.
He needs to sue. He needs to sue. Yeah, don't say nothing.
Does he need a lawyer? I'll call my husband. Does he need a lawyer? Or are they just going to release him?
No, they're not going to release him.
They're not going to release. Does he need a lawyer? I'll call my husband. I need my phone. She's got my phone.
I swear to God, if somebody assaults me and you don't arrest them, I'm going.
You was assaulted the other day.
I was assaulted.
Right in the nose.
I had 4 witnesses and he wouldn't take one affidavit. Not one affidavit. you know what? If you're gonna arrest him, why haven't you arrested her for assaulting me?
You don't have crap. You don't have shit, and you know it.
Be quiet,
You
Dolly.
twerking and acting like a
I've never seen anything like this in my life.
They're letting all of the fucking junkies fucking act like junkies, and they're letting baby killer go, and anyone that is accused of the junk, they're coming down here to film me. They just get me in this fucking car. Listen, Justin, please get me in that car.
Hold on, just I want to engage.
Can you drive me?
I'll drive. Just wait a second. Just wait.
This is not okay.
It's not okay.
This is not okay. This is a very bad situation. I'm not coming back here. I'm not coming back here. So Betty was right. They arrested Dolly Vision, but they don't arrest.
He never touched her.
And they're only arresting the good people. They're only arresting the good. Thank you. What is going on in this county?
I mean, if he thought he did something wrong, he would have left. He didn't leave. He was right there.
And he's standing right there, and they jumped over the fence and said, "He's leaving."
Oh, is that what? I didn't know where.
I want to get my stuff. They just half-assed each other. I just had it on film. They just half-assed each other. Don't arrest the murderer. That's all right. Don't arrest murderers. We got it.
I don't care what kind of video there's witnesses out there that saw all different things.
This was settled earlier. This was settled earlier.
I appreciate you what y'all doing. I just subscribed to y'all.
Thank you. Yeah, you can assault. Betty got assaulted in her fucking nose the other day. They wouldn't even take a fucking report. I don't know. Wouldn't even take a fucking report. Some crack whore comes down. No problem. No problem. She was charging at her while she was just raking fish out of her fucking yard. Never seen anything like this in my life.
That's what it means for Dolly.
Oh, thank you.
You're not.
Thank you.
You're just going with you, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
You saw what he did. He grabbed her bullhorn after she tried to take a swing at another person, but you didn't see all that. You didn't see all that. So everybody start, you do your thing. I am done.
Call the Chatham County. Call him.
County commissioners, bring their phones off the hook.
Let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you motherfuckers about yourself.
Email.
Chatham police. Fuck you. Fuck you. I got all you motherfuckers figured out. This place ain't fucking safe. You protect junkies down here. You protect all the fucking lowlifes. And what do? You're arresting all the people that got their teeth together, that got their fucking lives together. What the fuck are you doing? These motherfuckers don't even know what this kid's name is. They're calling him that kid. And then you take Dolly. The people that are coming from out of state.
Won't you tell us what is
out of state to stand up for this fucking baby. And you're coming to reprimand us. The ones who have been doing this.
Because you don't do your fucking jobs.
Disgusting. I will never come back to fucking Savannah. I would never leave my comrades behind. But this fucking place, baby, I'm sorry, but I can't do anything for you. There's nothing I can do for this baby.